Okay, hello guys, welcome back. It's your tech informant. So, there's something I need to let some of us in the community to understand. Some of us have been complaining that getting watch time hours, getting subscribers has been very difficult for them. And some of us here have been here like for over a year, and still they can't get their channel monetized. Well, to be frank with you, making content on YouTube, making videos, uploading these, waiting for your audience to react or for viewers to watch and then engage with your videos. It's not that easy. To be realistic with you, it's not that easy. Any successful content creator on YouTube will tell you this. This is a fact. So now you can imagine after making videos on YouTube for several months or for over a year, and now you are ready to get your content monetized, that is your channel monetized, and you discover that just another layer of getting your channel monetized is giving you stress. You get the point? You got your 4,000 watch time hours and you got your 1,000 subscribers count, and now trying to do other processes like documentation and all those stuff now becomes another barrier. So in this video, there's this AdSense PIN that I just got. They called me from the post office and told me that I have a PIN, and the person that the name on that PIN is not on my list, it's not on my record. So I was surprised. And this AdSense, if you're not yet monetized, you need to start now to prepare how you are going to apply for AdSense, to set up your AdSense account and get your channel fully monetized. It's not a biz. Like I've shared here on this channel, where a channel that got monetized since 2021, that is almost 4 years. And the channel got demonetized just because they couldn't verify their AdSense account. So, and they left it. It's just like some few weeks ago, we were able to resolve that issue. Imagine wasted like almost 4 years just because of AdSense. And there's the other one that I also talked about. That was around, the person got demonetized about 2023, almost over a year. So now what I want to let you guys understand is that it's very difficult to make content on YouTube. That's quite alright, because you can imagine doing all the scripting, doing the recording, editing, uploading SEO, keywords, all those stuff. Then after the whole stress, you're not disappointed to see that you just have only 10 views or you just have only 20 views when you have spent a lot. But mind you, if you are new on YouTube, I won't tell you that from the first upload you make on your channel, you start getting tens or hundreds of views. No, you need to be here for a while to understand how the system works, understand what is keyword, understand what is SEO, understand what is trending topic in your niche. You get the point? So it will get to a point where you will not even need all those things. Like for example, there are some channels with hundreds of thousands of subscribers. There are channels with big audience. These channels, they don't even bother about SEO anymore. They don't bother about keyword and all this stuff. Even their thumbnails are just lame, but they get hundreds of thousands of views. So what you need to understand is that it will get to a point where you start reducing the effort you make or you add to creating content. But when you are starting, it is very, very difficult. When nobody knows you and nobody knows about your content creating, it's very, very difficult, to get that audience. So, but my encouragement or I will need to advise you to don't just give up. Don't just give up. Even with the AdSense issue, don't just give up on AdSense. That's when it has troubled you. What videos? I have a lot of AdSense videos on this channel. So I'm going to share this. I mean, the name, no, normally it's not something I would do because, you know, AdSense or AdSense PIN is a private thing. But I can't imagine someone that owns this PIN, you know, someone that owns this PIN is now, you know, searching for this PIN, going here and there to try, to get his or her PIN discovered or to find where it is. And the thing is somewhere here with me. So I'm going to share the name of this person so that anybody in the community, if you know this person, I'm also going to post it in the community, the community post, so that if you know this person, probably this person is still struggling to get their channel monetized and AdSense is delaying them. So let me just go into my car and then share this stuff. Okay. I hope this is fine here. Okay, so this is the AdSense account. You get the point. This is the AdSense account. It has this name, 𝗕𝗺𝗀𝗁𝗃. So, and this name is not on my record, and I'm so concerned that the person that owns this thing might not yet, monetize their channel. So please, I will just drop it. I'll drop drop the name on the screen. If you know anyone that bears this name, that has a channel, I've already searched for this name on YouTube. No reasonable channel came up that is attached to this name. So please, if you know anyone that knows, or if you know anyone that bears this name, that's a YouTuber, just let them reach out to me on Instagram and send me a DM. So again, before I leave, if you know that you are expecting a good sum of money, you are about to monetize and you are expecting a good sum of money and you don't want to make mistake in your AdSense application or setting up your AdSense account, you can reach out to me. You can subscribe to my AdSense support. When you are part of this and if you are a subscriber to this support, I will help you to start the application process, right to verifying your identity, your tax info, all those documentations in AdSense. I will help you complete it and make sure that you get your first payment from your YouTube channel. So guys, please don't give up on YouTube. YouTube is a good place, to be as a content creator. One good thing about YouTube is that when you are here, you will inspire others, you motivate others, others will learn from you, and you will impact the world. Not minding, the kind of content you make, whether entertainment or whether educational or inspirational, whatever. When you are on YouTube, you inspire, a reasonable, size of a number of people, in the world. So don't give up your hope. If you know that you want to, make impact in your world and also benefit, something from the platform. So it's too early for you to give up. So guys, give this video a thumbs up. I know this person is going to get their AdSense account because I'm so concerned. I'm so worried that this person might be somewhere. Maybe probably the person has stopped, uploading on their channel just because they can't get their PIN. Because this has happened over time. Many creators, just because of AdSense, their channel was demonetized. They don't have that, that morale to do anything on their channel. So if you know this person, just find a way to link me with them. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.